Hi everyone, welcome. I thought I'll do a quick update and a little vlog about what's actually happening. At the minute I'm actually in Mexico, and I posted a story yesterday on my Instagram and all of you wanted to know how come I'm here, what happened, and why am I not moving to Spain right now, why am I moving to Mexico. So I don't even know where to start. So first of all, of course, like I've wanted to leave UK for a long time, and I plan to go, on the 9th of March, which was yesterday as well. And I had to move out of my apartment on the 8th because they started doing renovations, so I couldn't be there anymore. So I did have a final deadline. I was really stressed out, before moving to Spain anyway, because that's like really stressful situation, as you know, when you're moving a country. And my plan was to move to Marbella and settle down. I was going to stay in a hotel for a couple of days, for like a week, and then find an apartment. And now with all the current situation that's going on in the world, UK is completely banned from traveling to Spain. And not only that, you can't even travel there unless you have residency. So I started quickly realizing there's no way I'm going to be able to move to Spain until probably like end of May or beginning of June, which kind of defeated the purpose of me going there. I wanted to go there for about 3 months to figure out if this is for me, like settle down, find an apartment so I can move with my dog in in September. So when that plan has completely got ruined, I was feeling very, very stressed. And if I'm completely 100% honest, I've been so anxious for the last sort of 2 months. I've been like in a really bad place mentally. I haven't really realized how bad I feel until kind of the last sort of few weeks, when I just kept losing it. I kept having breakdowns and crying a lot because I was like, I feel stuck, I feel trapped, I couldn't go anywhere. And yeah, I just felt like my whole life is just not going to a direction where I wanted it to go. And that's obviously been happening for a lot of people in the last year. So then I just joined a bunch of groups, and someone said that Mexico has no quarantining rules. You can just come in here with a negative PCR test and basically enjoy living here. So I thought, why not? Why don't I just consider this as an option? In fact, I did look for many things. I looked online how to get to Spain, and the only way for me was to get to Spain was to travel to Mexico and then from Mexico to Spain. And that was kind of my original plan. I thought, okay, I'll go to Mexico, I'll have a holiday, I'll have a break, for 2 weeks, because I've been working like crazy hours non-stop. And I thought, I just need to get out from the tiny flat in London. I need to get away. I need to just, clear my head with all the stress and anxiety and everything that's been going on. And then I thought, actually, no, like there's no point, moving to Spain right now. There's still regulations. I don't even know if I'll be let in anyway, even if I do come from Mexico. So I've made a decision. This was literally a decision that was made few days ago. I booked my flight to Mexico. I was stressed out that I might not get in here because UK introduced brand new laws from Monday about filling a new form. And yeah, it's just very, very complicated things. I don't want to get into too much detail with that because everyone's got their own opinions on this. And I respect everyone's opinions. I just needed to get out, and I can work from anywhere. So technically, they can't keep me in UK. I'm not, I'm not prisoner to be kept. I'm a very free spirit. I'm very creative. I love, creating cakes, and this is my life, my business. So for me to be locked up that I have been for the last year, it's just really, really affected my health, my mental health. So I feel immediately right now, actually, it's only been like a few hours, but I just feel free. I feel like I can do what I want. I can go where I want. I can just relax. I can just take a breather. Yeah, so now I've decided that I'm going to live here for the next maybe 2-3 months. We'll see how things go. I literally have no plan. I don't really know where I'm gonna live exactly. I'm staying in a nice hotel at the minute for a week, and then I'm gonna find myself an accommodation, maybe something close to the beach, because that's what I wanted to do in Spain anyway. And I can work from anywhere in the world, it doesn't really matter, as long as I have a kitchen. I came here by myself. It's gonna be an adventure. I don't know anyone in Mexico. But that would be the same situation if I did move to Spain as well. And it's really funny because they also speak Spanish here, and I haven't started learning my Spanish yet. so hopefully I'll be more encouraged to start learning a new language. So yeah, to cut the story in short, I wasn't allowed to really move to Spain right now, and I didn't want to wait another 2-3 months, not knowing what the situation would be. And Mexico presented itself with open heart and open hands, and yeah, just took the opportunity. I realized that, you know, in life you have to make quick decisions, you have to be fast, otherwise you can't have your business, you can't do anything. And it is scary, it is very, very uncomfortable. I'm not gonna tell you that I feel very comfortable right now. Obviously I'm gonna enjoy the next week or so, but I'm really out of my comfort zone. You know, I don't know anything, and I guess it's you know, it's an adventure. I am a bit crazy, and I think sometimes I just make decisions and then I don't know if anyone else does that, but at the end of the day, I just thought, this is my path, this is my journey, and I'm just gonna see where it takes me. I am, I guess, lucky in a sense that I don't have any commitments. I didn't plan to be here on my own, you know. Obviously I thought I would be here with my partner, and I thought I would have a partner by now. But since I've been working crazy hours, you know, for the last sort of 2 years, with no weekends off, no breaks, nothing, I obviously wasn't even able to meet anyone, let alone with the whole situation that's going on. There's really no many opportunities to meet a guy. And so, you know, I'm kind of just ready for this journey on my own. And I guess we're never where we thought maybe we would be, with our plans that we have for ourselves. But I'm just trying to embrace it and trying to just kind of go with the flow, which I've never done before. I do control everything about my business. I do control everything about my life. Like, I want to know what's happening and when. But for the first time in my life, I just realized I can't control this anymore, and I haven't planned anything. I booked my ticket literally last week. I had to find all these forms, and that was really stressful to leave the UK. I booked this accommodation 10 minutes before I boarded my flight to Cancun, because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna make it, you know, like with everything that's happening. I wasn't even sure 100% they're gonna let me go, and everything's just happened so quickly. And now, yeah, now I'm here and I don't have any plan, but I feel so relieved. I can't explain it. I feel like a huge weight has been dropped from my shoulders, that I am not kind of trapped anymore. That's the feeling I had for a very, very long time, and I really, really hate it. And I am about freedom, and I like to feel like we can be free. And it just started to really annoy me and affect me a lot. So yeah, that's the whole story about it. I will be back in London because all my belongings are there. I just took a luggage. I don't have a lot of things with me, but I also realized you don't need a lot in life, like in terms of materialistic things. Like, whenever you travel, you don't have a lot of things with you. Well, I don't anyway. And yeah, so I'm gonna obviously come back in summer. Hopefully things will look better, and really like pack my stuff. And I don't really know, again, which is freaking me out a little bit, because I do like to know what's happening, like stability wise, like where I'm gonna live in like 6 months. But I generally don't know, and I'm just letting it go. And I might have to move here. Who knows? I really don't know. I might love Mexico so much that I'll fully relocate here. I might think this is not for me, and I might move to Spain. Like, that was my original plan in September. Or I don't know, I might move somewhere else. Who knows? So that's the adventure so far. I invite you to follow my adventure. I'm just gonna be sharing what's happening and where I'm at. But yeah, I hope that it was fun story for you. If anyone wants to, you know, relocate to another country, I can give you some tips, but I'm not really, you know, last time I relocated, like I lived in Thailand, I lived in Asia, I lived in Latvia, I lived obviously in London. I moved a lot before, but I usually had a plan. I don't know, I had some sort of a plan, but now I really don't, and it's freaking me out, but at the same time, I'm excited. Okay, well, ask any questions in the comments down below if you want to know more, or, you know, what do you want to find out, and I'll happily answer them.